Hello everyone, today I'll be making a cake knife as a wedding gift for some family friends. I started by gluing my template to a piece of 316 stainless steel. Then I cut out the rough shape of the knife using an angle grinder. Using the flapper disc, I ground the knife to its final shape. With a permanent marker and a drill bit, I scribed the centre line down the middle of the blade. Then I drilled and countersunk my pinholes. Using a 60 grit belt on my belt grinder, I ground in the bevels. I went up to a 400 grit finish on my belt grinder before switching to sandpaper and going all the way up to a 5000 grit finish. My handle material, I decided to make some hybrid blanks out of a heather bowl. For a bit of colour, I added a bit of blue pearl pigment to the resin. I made two sets of blanks, one with cork and the other one with the heather bowl. Once the resin was cured, I took it out of the mould and cut it into the shape of the tang. Then I drilled the pinholes into the wood so that I could glue up the handles. With an assortment of files and sandpaper, I shaped the handle. I wet sanded from 180 to 2000 grit sandpaper and polished the blade on my buffing wheel. Finally, I let the handle sit in a container of board linseed oil for about 10 minutes and that completes the knife. If you have any tips or suggestions for future videos, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, bye.